Alright.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, I have a guest here. This is Ann. So, I'm going to be glamming her today. This is a collab video, so make sure you guys go ahead on her channel and see what she did on this face. I mean, it's bare now, but she's going to beat this face as well. So, your channel.
Oh, so I'm QueenAnnTV, so definitely check the video out where I do her face after this video. Whichever video you're on first, go on her channel, go on mine, you know, vice versa, and we're gonna make this happen.
Alright, so before we get into this video, as always, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. You already know the deal. It's the red button. Join this family.
Yes.
And if you like when I do collab videos like this and I do people's makeup on my channel, then give this video a thumbs up so I know and I keep filming them for you guys. And also follow me on all of my other social media platforms. They will be down below in the description section. Y'all know the deal. So, without further ado, let's go to this video.
So for the people who don't know, how long have you been doing makeup?
I've been doing makeup for 8 years. 8 long years for now. 8 years. I started off modeling first, and next thing you know, I wanted to do makeup. And ever since, it just stuck. What about you? When did you start doing makeup?
Like a year now? Just a year. At least a year.
Yeah. You're pretty good at it. So.
I'm still learning.
Takes time. It takes a lot of time. Make sure you guys subscribe as well.
Yes.
Subscribe to her channel.
My link will be in her description box, okay guys? So don't forget to do that.
And she doesn't do just makeup either on her channel. Like, she'll do chit chats with you guys. She does vlogs. She just did a video not too long ago when she went to Sephora.
Yes, check that video out, guys. Definitely.
Your facial expressions? I was like, what?
My facial expressions definitely get me in trouble sometimes, but I try. I do better. I'm trying.
It will be fun. It's natural. It come natural.
Yes.
And for y'all nosy people, she's from New York. I'm from Jersey.
Yes.
Because I know people who just nosy and they're like, oh, so where you from?
Yes, that was definitely would be one of the questions. So, I was born and raised in New York. Lauren lives in New York. She was born and raised in Jersey.
Here. Oh my gosh, all I know is Jersey. I've literally been in Jersey my entire life. And I'm 26. How old are you?
23.
So we gotta just
Yeah.
old.
No!
Oh.
23.
So what made you start your channel?
Okay, good question. Once she finishes, guys, I'll answer.
Oh, you can answer.
Okay, so I pretty much started my channel because I wanted to have a bigger platform to talk to everyone, and you know, I feel like everybody goes through things. I wanted to express, you know, real life situations with people, and eventually I also do want to have my own makeup line, so I want to, you know, also build a following as well that will follow me and support me whenever that actually happens, guys. It will happen, okay? But yeah,
For 6 years, it was just mainly like me practicing doing makeup on myself. I'll do makeup on my mom, a couple of family members, but nothing was ever paid. It was just kind of like me practicing. And then past 2 years, I was like, okay, I'm taking clients. And then I would say a year and a half is when I was like, okay, I'm buckling down for YouTube. And I wasn't getting any clients that much. So
a good start, but I feel like my focus is here on social media, like just teaching, because that's what I like to do. So I'm gonna use the Morphe 39A palette on her. This guy. And we're gonna just go with a neutral glam today. Nothing crazy, because I know I've been doing a lot. What would you say you struggle with the most in makeup? So I was never the person. I see a lot of people when they do their makeup, they just pick colors and it's just like it all comes together so nicely. But like sometimes when I do it, it turns into like a hot mess, and then I'll get frustrated and I have to start over, or maybe I won't do it. To like if I'm doing a trying to make the color show, where when I open my eyes, sometimes the color wouldn't show because my eyes are also little hooded. So if you put in my crease and I open my eyes, it'll like disappear a little bit. Just saying. You know, and forget what platform they have, how big their platform can be, and instead of using it for good, they just use it for like, you know the word, fill in the blank. Yeah, I feel like all of the big YouTubers now are just kind of crumbling and falling apart, and I feel like smaller YouTubers is kind of gonna set the tone. Like, okay, this is what needs to happen. This is how y'all needed to take charge and actually, I was just about to say that, influence other people, because they are not doing what they need to do. It's like, so let her know, guys, in the comments below if she did a good job. If not, let her know too. I think she did a good job.
Y'all can roast me if I didn't do a good job. It's A-okay.
Alright,
yeah. So again, follow her channel. It'll be down below in the description bar, okay? Thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me on all of my other social media platforms. And we'll see you guys in the next video.